Hi! In this video we will see how to create this soul mold using RhinoEmboss. All the curves was previously defined, as you can see, and some of them already grouped as well. And now the idea is to use RhinoEmboss to start defining this object. So I defined the cap type I want core, this means a flat bottom. I will delete base, just keeping the object curves, and cap distance, so I can adjust the resolution, and of course the material and project measures. As you can see, in this case it's fine, I just check here, and now I'm going to start by add a new operation, in this case operation type extrude, and the curve this one. So I can define the operation settings, extrusion distance, let's define 1.5, and refresh to check the results. Okay, I can add a little bit more, double click, define 2 millimeters, enter, and refresh. As you can see, it was successful, change it, and now one more operation, operation type extrude, and the curve I'm going to select this one. So the idea is to add to the previous operation the distance. I will define 1.5 and refresh. Okay, so let's move on to the next operation. Once again extrude, and the curves I can select this group, 1 millimeter distance by default, and refresh. Okay, it's really easy, just define the extrusion distance, select the curve, so one more operation. Once again extrude, the curves I'm going to select this group, and the distance I can leave 1 millimeter, refresh, so it's calculating the results. The workflow is really similar in this model, just define the extrusion distance and select the curves. So at this point it's calculating, take a little bit more with all this group of curves. Okay, here we have the results. Very good. So now I can add one more operation, in this case operation by profile, and the curves I'm going to select this one and this one. So let me hide the results to adjust the gumbo, the 8, something smaller seems fine. Let's refresh, show and refresh to check the results. Let me hide the gumbos, remember press shift to hide all, and now I can add one more operation, operation type by profile, and the curves this one, this one. I can also adjust in the operation settings the gumbo, the measures, so in this case let me use 0.3 millimeters. The style I'm going to change to subtract instead of add to the previous operation, so when we refresh it will remove from the previous operations. Okay, the model is ready. Remember, I can adjust the resolution, I can add a new operation, smooth, and smooth the results if needed. As you can see, really easy. So this is the idea. I can turn off the smooth operation and check here to add the mesh to the document. At this point RhinoEmboss is calculating the results. Before it will open decimator tool. This allows us to reduce the mesh resolution. Okay, now with the decimator we can see the model, the results. We can adjust the mesh resolution. Let's try 50%. As you can see, the result probably in these flat areas it's not so good. Let's try 70. Okay, it's better. And this is the idea. So now from the original mesh faces I have the number of faces and the number of vertices. It's 70%, so I can reduce the file size. And now I just need to check in order to add the mesh to the document. As you can see, this is ready, the final result.